Hello guys, welcome to Z Information Technology YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you that how you can use your PC as an Android phone. So you need to download a software. I'm opening Google Chrome. In the search box type www.zinfotex.com, and here in the search box type NOX Player. This is NOX Player for Android. Click on this and download anyway. I have already downloaded it. I am not going to download it, and directly I will go to install it. Okay, go to download folder and programs. No, this actually this is an emulator. Emulator means when you run your another operating system on your computer. Okay, I will double click on it to install it. Click on install. It will take some time. You can use any apps and other programs on PC, mobile apps on PC. You can use WhatsApp on your PC. Now I will click on later. Here installation is complete. Double click on NOX. It is opening. It is a best emulator. You can run your games very smoothly on this emulator, and you can run your games with high FPS. It is loading. You can see here it is virtually a reality, so you can use it for best experience. I will click on this cross button. Dear friends, my PC is turned into Android phone. I can use it as an Android phone, and I can also minimize this and use my computer normally. Okay, now first of all you need to log in. I will click on App Center, and here click on this G, and then sign in with the Google account. Here I already logged in. I will click on this. Now these are your app store, and you can download any game or any app by simply clicking on the app. It is loading, and you can click on install, and as usually you're downloading apps from Play Store, then it is just like that, and you can play any game on your PC. It will run very fastly and very smoothly. You can also enjoy the PUBG game on the computer. Okay,
viewers, if you like this video and want to support me, then please subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking this subscribe button and press the bell icon to enjoy the latest updates. Thanks for watching.